Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to delete or deactivate your Facebook account. So first of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you'll be provided with 6 icons: home, watch, marketplace, profile, notifications, and menu. Here you click on menu, and then you scroll down to settings and privacy. Here you click on settings, and under accounts you'll be provided with options like personal information, translation for posts, add payments, Facebook Pay, access and control. Here you click on the last option that says access and control, and then you click on the second option that says deactivation and deletion. You click on any of which you wish to do with your Facebook account, and then you continue to the account deletion or deactivation. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.